Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining me for another daily vlog. Just sharing my thoughts, my insights, sharing some personal experience with you guys. I hope it adds some value to your day. As you've seen in the topic, setting yourself realistic goals, and just to break it down a little bit, we all get caught up in the hype about how much money we can make and possibly the lifestyle that we could possibly live, right? We all see the things that's being posted online, YouTube, Instagram, all these other social media platforms of people advertising how much millions they've made, or thousands a month, millions a year, cars and homes they bought, etc. I've been there. I've been caught up in the hype as well when I started out in trading. And it's actually when you start trading and you start to learn about this market, you actually understand and see how difficult it is. For many reasons, it's not that easy, because if it was easy, everyone would be doing it. Just be honest. Let's just be honest about it. If it was easy, everyone would be trading Forex, and it's not easy. This is not everyone's cup of tea. We're coming into this industry with the wrong expectations, setting unrealistic goals, and it takes a toll on our psyche. It takes a toll on our bank balance, and many of retail traders don't make it in this industry, right? A lot of people trade for 3, 4, 5 years, and either you still in drawdown, or you break even, hopefully. And some people just say, nah, this is not for me. So part of setting realistic goals is also being consistent within this industry. So set yourself realistic goals in terms of your approach to the market, your understanding of the market. If you start to attach monetary values to it in terms of how much you want to make per day, how much you want to make per week, per month, because of bills, mortgage, all those things that need to be paid, then you're going to add unnecessary stress to yourself, unnecessary pressure to yourself. And we see the grow your account, double your account videos in a week, in a month. I see it all the time as well when I'm on social media. People pop-ups onto my YouTube feed, and the amount of risk you would need to apply to double your account in a week, in a month, is not sustainable, right? It's unrealistic. So don't set yourself that goal of wanting to make 100% in a week, doubling your account in a week, doubling your account in a month, because that is short-term gratification, and it's not sustainable in the long term. So stay focused, set yourself realistic goals, focus more on the process and the learning behind it. Then the money will start to come in. That's it for today. Enjoy your day, and manage your risk. Have an awesome one. Cheers.